Okay, so another Math Olympiad question. So solve the value of 2024 over 1 times 2 plus 2024 over 2 times 3 plus 2024 over 3 times 4 plus up to 2024 over 2023 times 2024. So pause the video and try to answer. Okay, so let's solve this. So we can factor out the numerator since all the numerators are 2024. So just move the 2024 outside. 2024 times the quantity. This will now become 1 over 1 times 2 plus 1 over 2 times 3 plus 1 over 3 times 4, and then continue the pattern up to 1 over 2023 times 2024. Okay? So look at the denominator. So we have 1 times 2. It became 2 times 3. Next is 3 times 4. So it's in the form 1 over k times k plus 1. Okay? So the next number is 1 greater than the first number. 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 4, 4 and 5, 5 and 6, up to 2023, and then times 2024. So if we have is formula for this, if we have 1 over k times k plus 1, it's equal to, we can break this into 1 over k minus 1 over k plus 1. Okay? So if we cross multiply this, so let's just prove that it is equal to this. So if we cross multiply, so we have 1 times k plus 1, so that is equal to k plus 1. And then k times negative 1, we have negative k over the product k times k plus 1. K times k plus 1. And then we can cancel the k and then the negative k. So we end up with 1 over k times k plus 1, which is this term. Okay? So therefore, if we use that formula, for every term, so we have just copy 2024. Okay. So this will now become 1 over 1 times 2. So if we follow this formula, we have 1 over 1. The first term is 1. So 1 over k. 1 over 1 minus 1 half. Okay. Let's put parentheses. So this is for the first term. And then add the second term. So the second term will now become 1 half minus 1/3. So 1 over k minus 1 over k plus 1. So we have 1 half minus 1/3. Okay? And then plus the third term. So we can write the third term as 1/3 minus 1/4. And then up to up to 1 over 2023 minus 1 over 2024. Okay? So as you can see, we have alternating sign, negative 1 half, positive 1 half. So that will cancel out. Negative 1 half and positive 1 half. Negative 1/3 and positive 1/3. Negative 1/4, we have positive 1/4 here. And then we have 1 over 23. So before this, we have negative 1 over 2023. So all will be canceled out except for the first term, 1 over 1, and then the last term, minus 1 over 2024. So if we simplify that, we're going to have 2024 times 1 over 1, we can write this in terms of denominator of 2024. We can write that as 2024 over 2024. So that we have similar fraction 1 over 2024. Okay? Okay? So now, let's combine. So since we have both denominator of 2024, we can combine the numerator. So let's just subtract the numerator and then let's write only one 2024 in the denominator. Okay? So this will now cancel out 2024 and then over 2024. So therefore, the final answer is 2024 minus 1 and that is equal to 2023. So the correct answer is letter B, 2023. That's it. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this video and see you on my other video about Math Olympiad. So if this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my Facebook, RJ Enseñado. So bye-bye and God bless.